Most people eat from the moment they wake up until the moment they go to sleep. Our digestive systems never get a break. We are constantly in a fed state. But what would happen if you simply stopped eating for 24 hours? Just water. No food. No calories. You might think you would starve, lose muscle, or pass out. But the science of evolution shows the complete opposite. Your body actually has a hidden repair mode that only activates when you stop eating. In this video, we are going to walk through the incredible timeline of a 24-hour water fast. We will see exactly what happens to your hormones, your brain, and your cells, hour by hour. We will also cover the biggest mistakes beginners make and what you are allowed to drink. Phase 1. 0 to 4 hours. The fed state. You have just finished your last meal. Let's say it was dinner at 6 p.m. Your body is currently digesting food. Your insulin levels are high because your pancreas is working to move sugar from your blood into your cells for energy. During this phase, you are running on the glucose from your last meal. You are in storage mode. Fat burning is completely turned off. Phase 2, 4 to 12 hours, the catabolic switch. Now, things start to change. Your insulin levels begin to drop significantly. Since there is no new food coming in, your body has to find another fuel source. It starts breaking down glycogen, which is stored sugar in your liver and muscles. This is where most people quit. Around hour 10 or 11, you might feel a wave of intense hunger. Your stomach will growl. You might feel irritable. This is caused by a hormone called ghrelin. Ghrelin is the hunger hormone, but here is the secret. Ghrelin comes in waves. It is not constant. If you drink a large glass of water and wait 20 minutes, the wave will pass. Your body realizes no food is coming, so it switches to plan B. Phase 3, 12 to 16 hours. Ketosis and HGH. This is where the magic happens. Around the 12 to 14 hour mark, your glycogen stores are running low. Your liver begins to produce ketones. Ketones are a super fuel made from your own body fat. Unlike sugar, which burns dirty, ketones burn clean. Many people report a sudden boost in mental clarity and focus during this window. Simultaneously, your body begins to dramatically increase human growth hormone, or HGH. Some studies show HGH can increase by up to 500% during fasting. Why does this happen? Evolutionarily, if you were hungry, you needed energy and strength to go hunt. HGH protects your muscle mass so you don't waste away. It tells your body, burn the fat, keep the muscle. Phase 4, 16 to 18 hours. Autophagy begins. This is the holy grail of fasting. Autophagy literally means self-eating. This sounds scary, but it is incredibly healthy. When your cells don't have new food, they start to recycle themselves. They look around for junk parts, damaged proteins, old organelles, and even viruses, and they eat them. Think of it like a recycling plant inside your body. Your cells are cleaning out the garbage that causes aging and disease. If you eat constantly, autophagy never fully turns on. Phase 5, 24 hours. Stem cells and the reset. You have made it to the 24-hour mark. By now, your body is fully adapted to burning fat. Studies suggest that prolonged fasting can trigger intestinal stem cells to regenerate. You are literally rebuilding your gut lining and your immune system from the inside out. But wait, what are you allowed to drink? This is where 90% of people fail. They do dirty fasting. Dirty fasting is when you consume small amounts of calories or artificial sweeteners. Avoid diet sodas. Avoid gum. Avoid milk in your coffee. Even a sweet taste can trigger an insulin response, which stops autophagy instantly. Stick to pure water, still or sparkling. Black coffee, no sugar, no milk. Plain green or black tea. The danger zone, electrolytes. If you get a headache or feel dizzy around hour 20, you are not starving. You are low on sodium. When insulin drops, your kidneys flush out water and salt. You must replace this. Put a pinch of high-quality pink Himalayan salt or Celtic sea salt on your tongue, or mix it in water. This usually cures the fasting headache within minutes. How to break the fast safely. This is critical. Do not end your fast with a pizza or a massive bowl of pasta. Your digestive system has been sleeping. If you shock it with carbs, you will run to the bathroom within an hour. You need to wake it up gently. Break your fast with something light and protein-rich. Bone broth is the absolute best option because of the collagen. Or try some eggs, avocado, or a small piece of fish. Wait 45 minutes before eating a full meal. Who should not fast? Fasting is powerful, but it is a stressor. Do not fast if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or have a history of eating disorders. If you are underweight or have type 1 diabetes, consult your doctor first. For everyone else, a 24-hour reset once a week can be a life-changing habit. It is free, it is simple, and it heals your body at the cellular level. Are you brave enough to try this challenge? Comment, "I accept" below if you are going to try the 24-hour reset. Don't forget to like this video to support the channel. See you in the next video.